Today, I'm going to perform a simple water test. There are 3 glasses of water here. The first glass contains normal filtered water. The second glass contains RO water. And the third glass contains normal water. First, we will measure the total dissolved solids in the water in these glasses using a TDS meter. It's very easy. First, turn it on. The reading should be 0. We will start with the first glass of water, which is the filtered water. It shows a reading of 5. The second glass is RO water with a reading of 0. This means that the water is completely free of contaminant. Let's proceed with normal water. The reading shown here is 5 too. The TDS test basically concludes that these 2 glasses of water contain dissolved solids, while RO water is pure and clean. These 3 glasses of water look the same to the naked eye. Even if you drink any of these, your health may still be in a reasonable condition. Next, we're going to do electrolysis experiment. How do we do it? It's easy, by using electrolysis. Why? Basically, pure water consists of only H2O and does not conduct electricity. This is because the water contains dissolved solids. Now we are going to do a simple experiment. To test the water purity using electrolysis, we will start with the filtered water and RO water. Switch on the electrolysis unit. The light should come on. Look closely. You will see bubbles forming in the filtered water. Why? This is because the water contains dissolved solids that conduct electricity, thus causing bubbles to form. Now let us look at RO water. Why isn't there any reaction? This is because RO water is pure and free of dissolved solids. Thus, it will not conduct electricity. Look, the color of the water in that glass is starting to change. The color will become more obvious when we wait a little longer. Some people may ask, why isn't there any reaction here? Or, is this device working properly? Now, turn it off. Take it off and place it down. And swap their positions. This is RO water, and where this is normal water. Switch on the electrolysis unit and repeat the steps. You can see a reaction in the normal water on the right. The bubbles indicate that it is conducting electricity. This is because of the reaction with the dissolved solids in the water. Now both sides are showing reactions. If we wait a little longer, let's say for 2 or 3 minutes, the results will become more obvious. I would like to take this opportunity to share with you some facts about water. We will be referring to this filing. On the first page, do these 2 glasses of water look the same to you? Aren't they the same? What is this water called? It is called sick water. What is sick water? Sick water contains 4 elements: heavy metals, chemicals, radioactive elements, and dissolved pharmaceutical drugs. There were about 10,000 dialysis patients in Malaysia 2 years ago. About 9 months ago, another report reveals that 27,000 people in Malaysia suffer from kidney problems. About 3 months ago, another report reveals that kidney disease patients in Malaysia increased to 50,000 people in 2012. Why is the number of dialysis patients increasing? One of the reasons is because most people use ordinary water filters at home since the 80s and the 90s. What's so good about RO water? RO water treatment system uses the reverse osmosis technology from US that can remove contaminants in water as small as 0.0001 micron. That is as fine as cutting a strand of hair 500,000 times. This is by far the world's most advanced technology. How does it remove minute contaminants? By using the RO membrane. There are 3 models available: K100, K200 and K300 that produces cold, hot and warm water. RO system has been bestowed the S300 Gold Seal by WQA, or also better known as Water Quality Association. And we are the only water treatment system in Asia to receive such an honor. On top of that, the water treatment system is maintained and serviced by the largest service team in Southeast Asia that has been ranked one of the top 1% of world's best practice performers by Frost & Sullivan. It is endorsed by many WQA certified water specialists. Presently, there are over 2 million people drinking BioPure water. This is solid proof of its top-rate technology. Let's get back to the water demonstration. A significant difference can be seen within 2 to 3 minutes. You can see there's a layer above the water. What is it? Let's remove it and take a look. Those are dissolved solids. Feel it with your fingers. And smell it. Does it smell good? You can try it yourself later. Now, look at my finger. The contaminants that I've just touched have already penetrated into my skin. I have adult skin. The absorption will be even faster on a child's or a baby's skin. You have to consider this carefully. This amount is found within just a glass of water. How many glasses of water do you drink a day? How many glasses in a month or a year? This is the type of water that you've been drinking for years. This is a very important consideration. Now, look at this glass of water. Do you still want to drink it? It's your call. I choose RO water